Hello there, Robert here with another chef's knife for a quick product review. And what we have this time is the 8-inch chef's knife from Sanzu Pro series of knives. It is their 8-inch Raindrop Pattern Damascus knife, and as you can see, this stunning Damascus pattern is breathtaking, and it's one of my favorite knives to use and look at. I love looking at these beautifully designed Damascus chef's knives from Sanzu. In case you haven't noticed, this isn't just another normal blade. This is a work of art with a great ergonomic design that feels really comfortable to hold and use. Now first, let's look at the handle, shall we? It's a bit thick, wide, and big here around the center, and it fits your palm really well. So it won't actually cause fatigue when you're using it, and it gives you this really nice, good grip. It feels well balanced, it feels comfortable when using, and this black matte finish looks really stunning when paired with all of the silver you have around it, and paired with these three little rivets which give it a really nice, beautiful design. So there's so much attention to detail here, this little thing here, and if you look at the bottom of the knife, you'll see that it actually has the logo as well. Alright, so let's put it down, and as you can see here, the spine, it is very thin, it's very long, and it's very sleek from start to finish. It's also worth mentioning that this handle is made up of a G10 handle, and this material is a military grade material which is strong, durable, and won't deform over time like wooden handles do. So it's a fabulous design, and it just feels really good to use. Now let's move on to the main highlight of this blade, which is what it's made of. It's composed of 67 layers of Damascus steel, so one core and 33 stainless steel layers on each side. So I guess you could call it a sandwich of steel of sorts. So due to its AUS 10V core steel blade, as you can see here, it is razor sharp, and as many knife experts know, AUS 10V steel is a premium high carbon Japanese steel. Processed with heat treatment, it reaches hardness of around 60 to 62 on the HRC hardness scale. So with high hardness, it can retain its edge longer and sharper than other knives. So it excels at giving you a razor sharp cut each and every time. Now as for the outer layers, these are 430 and 431 steel. These are a stainless steel. These are characterized for being good at corrosion resistance and general atmospheric elements and resisting them. So they actually prevent the core itself from rusting, and your knife requires less maintenance over time. The edge itself has been polished and beveled to 15 degrees on each side, so that gives you a total of around 30 degrees. So this means that you can cut your food super easily and precisely, and when you hold this knife, one thing you'll notice is that it has a curved edge. So that curved edge gives it this nice round belly that you see here, and that's just good for rocking and going up and down. So it feels really well when you're cutting, and let's see if we can get you a good angle where you can see how it goes up and down. And it's so smoothly, and nothing is actually stopping it once it's going down. Alright, so now we can do a test. This is a test you can do at home, is you grab a piece of paper, any paper, and then you just hold your knife, hold the paper down, and then just cut through it, and you should get this really nice clean cut right there. That's a test to see how good your blade is. Now, I actually happen to have the other knife in their 8-inch series of chef's knives, which is the hammered-on pattern, and you can see them here side by side. Alright, they're both Damascus, they're both 8-inch, they share the same steel, they have the same handle, they have a slightly different pattern. This one is the hammered-on pattern here. This is the raindrop pattern here. Which one you like more, which one is better, this is actually all a matter of preference. So it's a personal choice which one you would prefer. Alright, and that's it. This is the Sanzu Pro 8-inch Raindrop Pattern Damascus knife. I hope you enjoyed the video. I highly recommend both of these knives, and you can go ahead and watch our hammered-on pattern Damascus video as well.